All right, we back. Uh, that's a that's a lot of goodness. This Tiger Burger is it's gigantic. If anybody know how big this burger is, they wouldn't order this. This is ridiculous. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Look at that. Look at that. I can't even hold that. That's ridiculous. Let me give it a bite. With first bite, all I notice is cheese. Cheese and bacon. That's all I notice. Cheese and bacon. That's ridiculous. That's my second bite, third bite. With the red beans and rice. See? Red beans and rice. See that? See the red beans and rice? See? So I messed that up. Red beans and rice, I messed that up. Right now, I'm full. I can't eat another bite. I'm full right now. I would give this right here would be 5 stars. Out of 5 stars, 5. On both of them. The burger is big and dumb. With bacon on it. Who don't like bacon? Oh, man. I'm so full. I think I wasted my money with all this food. I don't think I'm going to eat all that. It's right here, Gary Truck Driver. I'm signing out. And I'm letting you know, if you ever in Gross T area, please stop by the Tiger Truck Stop. This right here, it won't disappoint at all. Food delicious. Everything is delicious. The burger is big and dumb. They got a lot of parking around here for trucks, cars, buses, RVs, whatever you drive. This is magnificent. Burger big and dumb. Gary the Truck Driver. Keep trucking, guys.